Hello everyone, we will start with profit and loss topic, and in this video we will cover few basic questions from the same topic. Before moving on to the questions, we will quickly look at few basic things that we need to know. Okay, what is cost price? It is the price at which you purchased an article. It is the price at which you purchased an article. Okay, and what is selling price? It is the price at which you sold the same article. Okay, so for example, if you have purchased a book for 100 rupees, okay, so that is the cost price. Okay, you purchased a book for 100 rupees, so this becomes cost price. And if you sold the same book for 120 rupees, if you sold the book for 120 rupees, that is 20 rupees more than the cost price. Okay, in this case, selling price is greater than cost price. So here we have profit. Here we have profit. What is the profit here? It is selling price minus cost price. That is 120 minus 100. It is 20 rupees. Okay. See, the profit is 20 rupees. You sold for 20 rupees more than the cost price. Okay. And how do you calculate profit percent? Profit percent is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. You will always calculate profit on cost price. Okay. So this is equal to 20 divided by 100 into 100. This is 20%. Right. We will see another case. If cost price is 100, you purchased the book for 100 rupees, and if you sold it for 90 rupees, you sold it for 10 rupees lesser than the cost price. In this case, cost price is greater than selling price. Okay, so there will be a loss. So what is loss here? Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Okay, so this is 100 minus 90, it is 10 rupees. Okay, loss is 10 rupees. And how do you calculate loss percentage? You have to divide loss with cost price into 100. Okay, see, loss percentage and profit percentage is always calculated on cost price. So this is equal to 10 divided by 100 into 100. This is 10%. Okay, see, these are the formulas. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, and loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, and profit percentage and loss percentage. Okay, you just need to remember these formulas. And another one, if a product is sold for 20% more than the cost price, see, if it is told more, then it is a profit. Okay, and if it is told less, then it is a loss. If it is 20% more, then it is 20% profit. Okay, and if it is 10% less, then it is 10% less. Okay, if a product is sold for 20% more than the cost price. Okay, so what is selling price here? Selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percent divided by 100 into cost price. Okay, this is the formula to find the selling price if profit percentage is given. You can directly write this as selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percentage. It is 100 plus 20. It is 120%. So 120 divided by 100 into cost price. So this is 6 by 5 into cost price. Okay, you can directly write this way. And in this case, if a product is sold for 10% less than the cost price. Okay, so what is selling price here? It is 100 minus loss percent divided by 100 into cost price. Okay, this is the formula for selling price if loss percentage is given. Okay, so you can directly write this as selling price is 100 minus loss percentage. 100 minus 10, it is 90%. 90 divided by 100 into cost price, this is 9 by 10 into cost price. Okay, now we will solve the questions. First one, a shopkeeper bought an article for 520 rupees. See, this is cost price. It is 520 rupees. At what price should he sell the article to make 10% profit? Here the profit percent is given as 10% and we have to find selling price. Okay, at what price should he sell? That means we have to find selling price. So what is selling price here? It is 10% profit. It is 100 plus 10. It is 110%. 110 divided by 100 into cost price. This is 11 by 10 into 520. Okay, 0 and 0 will be cancelled. So the answer is 572 rupees. It is second option. Next one, a watch is purchased for 6,000 and sold for 5,500. See, the cost price is 6,000. It is purchased for 6,000 and selling price is 5,500. Okay, what is the loss percent? Here cost price is greater than selling price. Okay, so there is a loss, and what is the loss amount? It is 500. Okay, so what is the loss percent? It is loss divided by cost price. It is 6,000 into 100. Okay, here we'll cancel zeros. So this is 50 divided by 6, and this is 25 divided by 3, and this is 8 1 by 3%. Okay, so what is 1 by 3 here? 0.3. Okay, this will be 8.33%. It is third option. Next one, what is the cost price of an article which is sold for 1566 with 8% profit? We have to find cost price, okay, and selling price is given. It is 1566 and profit is equal to 8%. Okay, so what is selling price here? Selling price is equal to 100 plus 8%. It is 108% of cost price. So this is equal to 1566 into 100 divided by 108 is equal to cost price. So if you simplify, you'll get 1450. Okay, so the cost price is 1450. It is third option. Next one, if the selling price of a table is 6875, see, selling price is 6875. If the profit percent is 25%, okay, profit is 25%. What is the cost price of the table? See, cost price is what? Okay, see, we know selling price is equal to 100 plus 25. It is 125 divided by 100 into cost price. This will be 5 by 4. Okay, so here 6875 into 4 divided by 5 is equal to cost price. If you simplify, you will get 5 into 1375 into 4. Okay, so this is 0055. Okay, so the cost price is 5500. Second option. Next one, Rohit buys an old bat for 2320. Okay, so this is cost price. It is 2320 and he spends 180 on its repairing. He bought it for 2320. That means he spent 2320 from his pocket and he spent 180 rupees from his pocket. So this will also be considered as cost price. So this is equal to 2500. Okay, so 2500 is the cost price, and if he sells it for 2400, selling price is equal to 2400. Then what is the loss percent? See, here cost price is greater than selling price, so there is a loss, and loss is equal to 100 rupees. Okay, so what is the loss percent? It is 100 divided by 2500 into 100. Okay, so this is 100 divided by 25. It is 4%. 4% is the loss percent. Next one, if the cost price of a camera is 75% of its selling price, see, cost price is equal to 75 divided by 100 into selling price. See, if you simplify, you will get 25 into 3, 25 into 4. So cost price divided by selling price is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, C will take cost price as 3 and selling price as 4. Okay, so we have profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. It is 4 minus 3, it is 1. What is the profit percent? It is 1 divided by cost price. It is 3 into 100. 1 by 3 is 33, 1 by 3%. It is first option. Next one, if the selling price of a fan is 306, see, selling price is equal to 306 and the loss percent is equal to 32%. Okay, then what is the cost price of the fan? See, selling price is equal to, it is 100 minus 32, it is 68%. 68 divided by 100 into cost price. Okay, so here 306 is equal to 68 divided by 100 into cost price. So cost price is equal to 30600 divided by 68. If you simplify, you will get 4 into 17 and here 4 into 7, 7650. Okay, here 17 into 4, 50. Okay, so the cost price is 450 rupees. It is first option. Next one, if the selling price of a table is 25% of its cost price, See, selling price is 25%. 25 divided by 100 into cost price. This is 1 by 4. Okay, so selling price divided by cost price is equal to 1 by 4. We will take selling price as 1 and cost price is 4. So what is the loss here? Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. It is 4 minus 1. It is 3. Okay. So loss percent is equal to 3 divided by 4 into 100. 3 by 4 is 75%. First option. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.